Hi, this is Zak Mir with the Bulletin Board Heroes here on Share Talk for Thursday, the 13th of September. Starting off with Bushveld Minerals, which I suppose is an old favourite on the Bulletin Board's rising trend channel here from March. Just bounced off the floor of the channel, a bit of a minor bear trap a few days below 20p, which was that intraday low of August. Looks as though we'll head back towards the 30 pence zone, or up to 30 pence over the next few weeks. Stop loss obviously back below 18 pence at this stage, but hopefully that will not be tested. Next up is a stock which covered once and was very keen on. Looks like a great breakout situation. Echo Atlantic heading towards hopefully 70 pence over the next couple of weeks, and that target valid while we hold above the low 40s, which was the initial September peak. On to another stock which looks equally good, perhaps even better actually, Europa Metals. Wide trend channel here to the upside, which you can draw from October as far as the resistance line is concerned. So that's heading for 0.23p. We're already at 0.11 at the moment, or just under 0.12. Golden cross last month, a nice sideways consolidation above the 50-day and 200-day moving averages before that, and it looks as though, as I said, the shares could double from the current area. Only back below 0.1 would currently cause any caution to be expressed. A very good stock, a very good chart over the recent past is Filtronic. I think I was highlighting it here around 12-13p. Can't remember exactly where, but doesn't really matter now. Situation is that we're looking for what the next target may be, and that looks like it could be as high as 30 pence. We had a gap higher last week, unfilled, and consolidating above that. Might try and fill that down towards 20p, but we have the big target there of 30 pence, and really while we're above the floor of the gap at 18, it looks as though Filtronic is set fair. On to another stock which is the main riser of the day so far, Herencia Resources. This looks like a broken falling wedge formation, so the classic sort of squeeze into it and then bursting out that we had to start this week, breaking the 50-day line as well, and while we're above the 50-day line at 0.03 pence, looking for a retest of the November-December peak. So see how that goes. Obviously we failed a couple of times at the 200-day line, so if you're cautious on the shares, you might want to see that broken before considering this as a fair bullish situation. One of the stocks of the year from my point of view in terms of the journey to the upside, which has been relatively easy, I suppose Versailles is the other one that comes to mind. Live Company is identified in the low 40s and interviewed at that time, and since then we've gone higher via a rising May trend channel. Still looking for a £1.20 while we hold above around the low 90s area over the next few sessions, hopefully. So that is the 120 over the next few weeks, and holding above the low 90s over the next few sessions. Finishing off with a stock which I don't think I've looked at here before, but looks as though it also may be a falling wedge breakout, which is what we like here, one of the more reliable technical setups. Mineral and Financial Investments breaking out there via a gap through 7p and a gap through the 50-day moving average at 7.33. Really, so while we're above this resistance line at 7 pence, looking for 10 pence, which is where the 200-day moving average is at the moment. That's it for me. More updates tomorrow.